Ladies and gentlemen, dames and heren, today I have a house where there are trees in abundance and it's peaceful and quiet neighborhood. This is 12 o'clock on a Thursday. This is a popular part of Observatory and I have a freestanding corner property, new on the market. It's a house with a corrugated iron roof. Got an entrance, a side entrance by the garden gate on the one side. There on the far left, you can see. This is what the immediate neighborhood looks like, and you're seeing this property because your agent is Werner Stein at hotpropertyinCapetown.com, where you will on that website hotpropertyinCapetown.com, that's where you will find all the details of this specific house. Going to have a look on the inside. The property has an electric fence all around the outside of the house. It has a parking area here. 2 cars can fit in tandem. Got a big storage space here where another car can fit. The box for the tandem parking is also there. This is the north facing side of the house. 2 bedrooms with shutters. Can you hear the trees, the birds in the trees? I'm gonna walk around and show you this side, the east side of the house. There's a gate here, and then it'll go to your washing line and the back garden, which is similarly pleasant. Let's see the inside. You have got the original old front door in the front. Then one of 3 bedrooms. This is north facing. This is a spare bedroom at the moment. Part of the owner's wine collection is here. And we have a bathroom with a hand basin, water closet and a shower, and it looks here on the side into a central courtyard braai-area. Then from here we go into what is now an office. It comes with loads of bookshelves. There's a television connection. This fireplace is back to the fireplace in the lounge. The chimneys are in place, so there's no reason why it shouldn't be working. You can see the setup as an office here. Then you have kind of a dressing room. All the pictures, there are lots of pictures you can find of this property on my website hotpropertyinCapetown.com, where there should also be a floor plan. This is your open plan living area, a modern kitchen with huge glass doors leading to that braai-area. And then from here we look over the it's open plan with the lounge, and there you can see the other fireplace. While we are here, we might as well look at this outside braai-area. And to the left you can walk around to your back garden on that side. Just going to show you the main bedroom. It's almost kind of Japanese style. Here are big sliding doors, and it overlooks your back garden, this bedroom. Look at the bathroom. Water closet and the shower with a fancy shower head. This room has got air conditioner, and then from here we go. This is your lounge area once again. It gets beautiful morning sun, and it flows to this courtyard and your back garden. There's the gate that you saw earlier. Now we are looking down one of these streets. It's all big houses here. Not many coming on the market in this part of Observatory. There's a little enclave here where you can sit and enjoy the birds and your garden. This is your back part of the garden. You can see Devil's Peak in the end there. And this is one of 2 water tanks in the property right now, but one of these tanks the owner will be taking with them. They are retiring to Pinelands, to a retirement village, and that is the reason for the sale of the property. Finally, I want to just show you the east side of the house, where a gate leads between the back and the front garden to the where there's a gate between the back and the front garden. Here you have a washing line area, and that is it. To see more, visit my website, hutpropertyinCapetown.com. Werner, I'm your man. Thank you for watching.